Hello everyone, I'm Sooraj. This is Akhila, my wife. So we've been consulting Dr. Marina for about a year now, and we've been blessed with a baby girl recently on December 2nd. And the journey has been very smooth, starting from when we started consulting Dr. Marina in the early days when we were trying for a baby. And since then, she's been very supportive in terms of the guidances that she has given, and the lesser number of medications. Probably that's something which I should bring up. Very less number of medications, and it's almost a natural process that she takes you through, and it has been very helpful for us to finally conceive. And talking about the delivery, the overall birthing experience that we had. So basically by 12 o'clock midnight, so my wife started having contractions, and that's when we reached out to the casualty, and should say that EMC has been very helpful in terms of supporting us even at midnight during the emergencies. So she got admitted in the birthing suite, and we were waiting outside. At times you feel like hell's broke loose, and you really don't know what is happening. But then the staff were very supportive.
Nursing staff
especially the nursing staff, they kept telling us what is happening, probably every hour. And then finally by 5:30 or so, we were like, personally me, I was called inside, and I was surprised because at one side I was feeling like hell's breaking loose, and suddenly I see Dr. Marina, all that divinity all together, that she brought us into the like me to the operation theater, and then she said that you'll have to motivate her, and I really don't have any words to explain how it felt like, but really it felt like everything is there. And
the one thing, like, it was a high risk pregnancy, but at last it was a normal delivery. That's the miracle that we still
exactly.
continue.
I mean, we had a lot of permutations, combinations going on inside our heads, that what is going to happen. Is it going to be C-section, or how it will happen basically? But then finally, I don't know, probably it would be Dr. Marina's advice and the right time that she asked us to look into things and go through. And finally we got a very healthy, lively, cheering, beautiful baby girl. And I think post that as well, we got very good guidances from the pediatric doctor here,
lactation councils,
and
also the nursing staff. Very helpful and very cheering, advisable.
Exactly. So
very much helpful.
Basically, top of the line, what you understand is it's just instructions, but in this case it's also caring and the personal support that they provide. You never feel like you are in a hospital, but rather
exactly
it's someone who is in detail explaining things so that you don't miss out on any details, and that's very commendable from the EMC overall staff, is what I feel. And of course, finally, not to miss out on mentioning the pediatric doctors that visited us. It was very helpful, and I think for the long term, it's going to help us a lot on the guidances that they have given. So we would like to give a special thanks to Dr. Ashokan, who's been
Dr. Marina Verghese also.
And Dr. Marina Verghese.
She has always been there, from the starting.
Yeah, from the beginning she
all
was
the
there.
Guidance, advices, everything.
Exactly. Yeah, and finally, even after we got the baby,
I mean, we feel that we can keep this relationship.
It doesn't feel like a doctor-patient relationship. Rather, it's more of a personal bond that she has developed over time.
Exactly.
And we personally have developed over time. And Dr. Ashokan, to be specially mentioned, that he's been helping us with his guidance on pediatric area. And this is going to help us for long term, probably, for whatever he has guided us towards. So thanks EMC. Thank you.